In this video tutorial, I'll teach you how you can download Java Standard Edition 10.0.1 on Windows 10 and then install it on your computer. So visit oracle.com/technetwork/java/java.se downloads/index.html, and here you will find the link to download JDK. So click on the download link. Next thing is to accept the license agreement. Now click on the JDK 10.0.1 Windows 64 bin.exe, and this is the installer for Windows. So let's wait for the download to complete. So JDK installer is now downloaded. Click here. So JDK is downloaded now, and I have copied it to another directory. So double click it. Click yes. Now the installer is starting. Click next. So this is downloading into the program files Java JDK 10.0.1 directory. Click next. Now click the next button, and installer is now installing JDK 10.0.1. Now it's asking for installing the GRE. So click next, and now the installer is installing the GRE. So JDK 10 is installed successfully. Now we have to change the system path. Go to System Control Panel, then Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables. Now we can change the Java home, and this is our Java home. Now we need to change the path variable also. So this we need to change. Now OK. Now it is saying Java 10.0.1. So we have successfully installed the Java 10.0.1 on Windows 10 computer, and you can visit our website roseindia.net. And here you can see the features of JDK 10, and we have many tutorials on Java programming. So you can visit our website and learn from these tutorials.